Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we're gonna learn about how to extract the data that in data science we call as data scraping. So how to do the data scraping by using Excel, because let me show you what are the advantages, the disadvantages of reading the HTML file. So I have a data set. It's not a data set, it's an HTML page here having tennisabstract.com. Here I have a report of rank player, like it's a rank, it's a player and a country and the birth date. So as you can see that we have around, I don't know how much, it's more than I think 1000 datas are there. So let me try to scrap this data using pandas. So I tried doing it. I have imported the panda and I'm trying to read data equals to pd.read html. If you don't know, if you're new here, so pandas is a pandas provide different like of read thing. We have read CSV, we have read XML, read HTML. We have different formats to read using pandas, and pandas make it very simple, because by using pandas we can do lot of works with very ease. Okay, you will know in the upcoming session, and I will try to create different videos on each and every topic, and then you will get to know that it's very easy for using pandas rather than using module. Yeah. And so I have read this data equals to pd.read html, and now I'm trying to see the data. As you can see that the data is in the form of array, so I thought of converting that array into data frames. So data equals to pd.read data frame or data, and as you can see that it's converted. But when I'm trying to see the data here, data.head, I can see that the data got clumped in all. As you can see that it's converted into an array, and all the data are in a single array. So I got in trouble here. So I thought of getting use of other thing like Excel. So I thought of using Excel here, and I will teach you how you can use Excel to scrap the data from the website. So just go to a website, copy that link of particular website, go and type Excel. The Excel will pop up here. Try a new blank workbook. I will full screen for you guys, and go to this data section and go to this get external data, and from web just do this thing and just copy paste your website name here, address name here, and just click go. So as you can see that just you have to click yes, and it will show that we have this data in the particular website. Do you want to import this data? Then click this part, import. So this it will take a while, so you have to click OK, and it's getting data. So it's trying to get the data here, and as you can see that all the datas, how many datas we have, as you can see that all the datas are here. So I think more than 1500 datas are there. So yeah, you can go, you can check out all the datas, how many datas are there. So it's around, I think 2116 datas are there. Yeah, it's not even took it's took less than even a second also, I think. And if you want to delete this whole thing, if you are new with Excel, just go and click delete here. Otherwise, if you want to delete this whole thing, just select this whole row and click delete. Otherwise, click right side and click delete. As you can see that we have total all the data sets are ready for us. And if you want to use this data set in our particular thing, like in particular collab Jupyter notebook, you have to save this thing as a .csv file. So I have already done it, so I will do it for you guys again, and I will try to show you how to do that thing. And let me read this file. So I will try to upload that CSV file that I have created. I will go to my data. I have a folder. Where is that? Yeah, this is tennis data. So okay, so I will copy this part, copy path, and I will try to use PD. Now again pandas, I was trying to use this panda function. So I will just write df equals to pd.read. As I have mentioned you, it can use to read CSV file also. So if we have read, and I will type the copy paste the address of this tennis file, and I will print, type shift plus enter. So now our df is ready. Let me see the head part of our df, and as you can see that we can now, it's in proper condition, and now we can use it. So if I want to plot a graph, like let's plot a simple graph like on behalf of country, like a count plot. So count plot we have to import SNS first. Import Cbon as SNS, and I will try to import SNS here, and SNS dot count plot. I have to count plot which thing, country, right? So df dot country, otherwise you can df dot country, or otherwise this convention is going on in which you have to put brackets, and in that bracket, square bracket, you can put the name of that column. So yeah, I can use that also. And you can see we have a count plot and we have lot of countries. So let me do one thing. I will try to reverse this thing. I will put y equals to, and I will show you why. Now we have lot of countries, so it's showing, it's a very clumsy graph, I know, but in order to make it very less clumsy, you can use plt function, like how we have for that we have to import matplotlib as pyplot. Yeah, we can use this, and we have to use plt dot figure and fig size equals to, like you can choose your figure. I will try to increase a bit so that, yeah, as you can see that the figure size has increased. You can increase more to reduce the clumsiness here. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.